This semester, I've been spending a lot of time in the Human Performance Lab. It's where everything I'm learning at Hardin-Simmons really comes together: biomechanics, training, and motion analysis. I was a biology major my freshman year, and it just wasn't what I expected. And so coming here, getting into the exercise science side, having professors that are, accessible like Dr. Ruitt, that are really excited about your future and help you with all these internships and really are there for you, basically whatever you need, has been great. That's what's led me into the study of biomechanics of baseball, how pitchers move, train, and stay healthy. I've pitched my whole life since I was about 8 years old, so 13 years now. I love it. I mean, it's an art form. It's not just throwing a baseball. There's a lot more that goes into it. And now there's a lot more science coming out, which I'm a science-minded person. And so being able to merge those things together is what I've realized I kind of want to do for my career. Last year, I interned at TMI Sports Medicine in Arlington, where I worked alongside the team doctor for the Texas Rangers and the Dallas Stars. It was an incredible experience that gave me a first-hand look at the performance side of sports medicine. And now it's led me to apply for an internship with the American Sports Medicine Institute, one of the top biomechanics programs in the country. Since coming to HSU, I've really come to appreciate the community, the faith that ties people together, and the school spirit that makes this place feel different. Everyone here supports each other, whether it's in the classroom, on the field, or around campus. Now that have our new coaching staff, it's a close-knit group. We do a lot of things together outside of practice, and then with practice we do a lot of hard stuff. It brings people together, so it's a really close group, so it's fun. Hardin-Simmons has really shown me what grit means: showing up, putting in the work, and staying grounded through it all. I'm Bradley, and I'm a Cowboy.